Welcome back on Alban First Platform. I'm Francesco, and today I'm going to show you how to use a flexible forward contract, or as we say, do a flexible take up. Before showing you the process, let me remind you the utility of this feature. So let's start again with a reminder. A flexible forward contract is a FX risk management solution that will allows you to lock in an exchange rate for future transactions, ancillary to payment of upcoming invoices. The main advantage of this solution is that it offers you the flexibility to perform your FX transaction within a specified period of time. The convenience lays in the ability to plan your budget and your cash flow effectively, despite uncertainty about the exact time of your invoices and your payment. So, you are securing an exchange rate when you initiate a contract, providing certainty about the cost of the transaction, regardless of when it actually occurs. You can indeed decide to pay using the amount booked in your flexible forward contract. Typically, if the guaranteed rate of your flexible forward contract is better than the rate of the day you want to pay, you're very likely to use that option and do a flexible take up rather than doing a spot FX transaction. So you can do this in two ways. The first one is by clicking in the forward section. In the report, you can see that with your flexible, your average rate of 1.05 and the total volume of the USD that you have, which are 53,843.8. And if you go on scheduled, you can see your flexible forward here. The remaining amount of 25,000 USD, because you have done some flexible take up before, and the total amount. So if you click on use flexible forward, you have all the information here. You decide to do another one of 5,000, execute conversion as soon as possible. You click on continue. You can see the rate that you blocked when you booked your flexible forward. You validate, and it's done. This is the first way. The second way is by clicking in the payment section, new payment. You want to make a payment in USD from your ERA account, so you're doing a conversion. You put the amount again, the communication, the execution date. You want to schedule the payment in 4 days. And now here you can see the use flexible section. You click on it, choose the one that you're interested in. Remember, it's really important that you book a flexible forward contract before doing this payment. Email notification, internal reference, which are optional. You click on continue. And here you can see the exchange rate locked, the total cost of your payment. You click on validate, and the job is done. So all of this to help you navigate the uncertainty of international transaction. And I really hope that you learned something new today. Until next time, enjoy the platform.